Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how I prepare my collar for my male shirt. Alright, so in this video I have already cut the collar stay. I use 15 inches because I'm using this to produce a size 15 shirt. So I'm gumming it on a white fabric which are already double folded, and then I'll be adding two collar bones on the two edges of the collar. Can you see the two collar bones? Yes. The purpose of the two collar bones on those two pointed edges of the collar is that so the pointed edges will not fold. Yes. We need it to be pointed. That is the purpose of adding the two collar bones there on the two edges. And you can easily get them in any of your major markets where they are selling sewing materials. Here I'm placing a softer stay on it, and I used the same size, the same measurement, just that at the base of this softer stay, I reduced it with like 3/8. Yes, I don't want it to get to the edge of the original collar stay, so it will not be too thick when we are folding our collar. So I've gummed it, and I'm going to trace off the excesses on the two sides. Leave 3/8 on the two sides of the stay as excess, and then that will be your sewing allowance. And then also on top, leave 3/8 for your sewing allowance. At the lower part of the collar, I did not leave any sewing allowance. You will need to take a good note of that. I didn't leave any sewing allowance there. So take note of that. So I'm done with the collar itself. Next will be to gum the under collar. I'm using a white fabric too because it is a white shirt, and I've doubled the fabric. I've already doubled it. So I'm going to position my under collar on it. Yes, I'm positioning my under collar on it. This under collar, the measurement is 16.5. The standard is that if your collar is 15, your under collar will be plus 1.5, which makes it 16.5. That's the standard. The maximum you can use is maybe plus 2 inches, but I'm using the standard addition of 1.5. So after gumming it, I'm going to leave 3/8 on the side, on the upper part, and also on the other side. At the lower part or at the base of the under collar, I'm leaving 0.75. Yes, 0.75. And the reason is because I'm still going to fold it up and sew. Watch closely how I'm going to do that. I'm folding up the base of the under collar, and that is because I'm still going to sew on it. Alright, make sure you iron very well. Iron the collar too very well. Make sure that the collar is well fastened on the fabric, then you go forward to sew.